Given that f of x equals to 5x squared plus x minus 7, determine f of 2 divided by f of 1, f of 3 plus a, f of 3 plus a minus f of 3, and f of 3 plus a minus f of 3 divided by a. That's what we can do. So let's start with f of 2 divided by f of 1. First of all, let's find f of 2. So that means we have to replace x by 2 from this equation here. So that will be f of 2 equals to 5 of 2 squared plus 2 minus 7. So that will be 5 of 4 minus 5. So that will be 20 minus 5. So we have 15. The f of 1 equals to 5 into 1 square plus 1 minus 7. You know that 1 square is 1. So we have 5 of 1 minus 6. So 5 multiplied 1 is 5. So minus 6. 5 minus 6, we have minus 1. So our f of 2 divided by f of 1 will be 15 divided by minus 1. So that will give us minus 15. And the second one is f of 3 plus a. So then we have to replace x with 3 plus a. So when you see x, you put 3 plus a from this equation here. So that will be 5 into 3 plus a squared plus 3 plus a minus 7. Now expanding this, we are having 5 into 9 plus 6a plus a squared plus 3 plus a minus 7. Now clean the bracket here, we are having 45 plus 30a plus 5a squared plus 3 plus a minus 7. Now collecting like terms from here, having 5a squared plus 30a plus a plus 45 plus 3 minus 7. So that will give us 5a squared plus 31a plus 41. Now let's find our f of 3 plus a minus f of 3. Now we have already established our f of 3 plus a is 5a squared plus 31a plus 41. So now let's find f of 3. So that will be f of 3 equals to 5 into 3 squared plus 3 minus 7. So 3 squared will give us 9. So we have 5 into 9 minus 4. That is when 3 subtracts 7. Now 5 times 9, we are having, that is 45, with the minus 4. So 45 minus 4, we are having 41. Now our f of 3 plus a minus f of 3 will now be 5a squared plus 31a plus 41 minus 41. So we'll have 5a squared plus 31a. Finally, let's find our f of 3 plus a minus f of 3 divided by a. So you know what to do. From our previous what we have saw previously, we established that f of 3 plus a minus f of 3 is 5a squared plus 31a. So then we have to just to divide it by a. So that will be 5a squared plus 31a divided by a. So a will cancel a squared. We have 1. That's a here. Cancel here 1. So what we're having here is 5a plus 31. See you in the next video.